Alright, how are you doing guys today? Today is the spa day.
Yeah, so now we are in Ubud actually, and we will have one day just pampering ourselves in spa.
Or Winnie, maybe me also, I don't know.
Alright.
Let's go inside.
Yeah. So one thing, whenever you go to the spa, the most important thing is that checking everything. Temperature, sanitize yourself.
Safety first.
Yes, so safety first. Okay, silakan. Alright, so I already arrived here. The first thing that I have to put is the form about the treatment consultation from and everything. Yeah, this is really cool. And also when we arrive, we have a welcome drink. Really nice Rosella tea. And then this one. Oh, you know, we are from Denpasar and coming here quite far, but yeah, it's really so cool.
Miss Winnie and Mr. Damian, we will be ready for you, for both of you, to treat you with traditional Balinese massage. And then before we start, we will introduce you 3 kind of oil, and we also do a food ritual.
Super excited about the Balinese Massage, but I have a question. This is painful?
Oh, this is really relaxing massage.
Okay, that's
Not painful massage.
Thank
really,
you.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Okay, before we start, we also have locker if you like to put your own belonging.
Okay, so first of all, we will keep all our belongings here in the locker. Yeah.
And my wallet.
Oh, okay, don't forget.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
And
yeah?
my phone.
Alright.
And one more.
One more. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. This is our food ritual. So before we start, please have a seat first.
Oh wow! I really feel like a queen now and pampering myself.
And please soak your feet into the
Okay.
water. Yeah, this is a warm water. Yeah.
Oh. And this is your water, okay? Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And we will do about 3-4 minutes here or 5 minutes. This here also 3 kind of oil for massage.
Wow! I feel really like a queen for one day.
Oh, that's super cool for my feet. Especially if you have tired feet like mine once. Perfect. Well, actually, that's Winnie should be in the spa, but well, I will be as well.
Yeah!
Why not, right?
You are the king for today.
Yeah.
Okay, lemongrass.
Yeah.
This is good for energizing.
Oh, this is so good. The smell so good.
And the second one is jasmine. This is good for refreshing.
Oh, this is good for refreshing. Smells so nice.
We also have frangipani, good for calming.
After we have a full massage or something, and then now let's go to the massage room. Oh wow, look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, look at this. We will have a Balinese massage and then we will have flower bath later on. Alright, so now I will get ready to have a massage first for 1 hour. Wow, it will be relaxing day for today. And then you have to see.
How do you feel inside?
Oh, so good and so relaxing. Wow, I really recommend you. If you wanna have a spa and chill out, this is the best place. I love it. Hey sayang, how do you feel?
Oh, super good. So good for my back, you know.
How do you feel, sayang?
Oh my god, it's so relaxing, so calming. This is my best day ever. You know, my self-pampering day today, it's so perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you in the front, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Alright, so after we have a treatment, we have a Balinese massage for 1 hour and then we have flower bath. I feel so relaxing, I feel so calm, and then wow, it is, you know, this is the best pampering day ever. And then now they also prepare us this one, hot ginger tea, and also sweet potato with the brown sugar. And then this one, hot ginger tea, is really good for you guys whenever you after finish your treatment. This is so good. We finish our treatment today and then we already have a beautiful snack and so yum. And then I would like to say this is a very highly recommended place for you guys when you are in Ubud or wherever you are in Bali and you want to have a beautiful experience about, you know, how to pamper yourself in spa. This is the place. This is highly recommended for you. And
Yeah, and super cool and good quality massage. The place is super comfortable and it's super
the service
clean.
is so good.
And the service is so good.
With the
And
Balinese hospitality. Wow.
so I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Like always, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you like it. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And new vlog every day 7 p.m. Bali time GMT+8. See ya guys.
Bye.